say about the festivities today?
Every year it goes another taste, new perspective, and a new image of our vibrant culture here in the Philippines. Magandang umaga at masayang pagdating sa baluarte ng Timog Katagalugan.
Welcome to North and Central Luzon.
Central Eastern Visayas. Again, welcome to Bicolandia, welcome to Region 5. Viva la Virgen! Viva NCR!
We welcome you again to St. Vincent School of Theology Feast of Cultures 2024.
With the theme, Sining at Kalinangan, nag-uugnay tungo sa kaganapan ng buhay.
Let this day be a meaningful moment of encounter as we celebrate the richness of our beloved academic community because of the presence of rich variety of cultural identities and expressions we all celebrate today. Enjoy this moment as we behold each other's unique culture and identity. And thank you so much for everyone for gracing this wonderful occasion with your presence and meaningful participation. And therefore, I now hereby officially declare this part of the event of the Feast of Culture open. Good afternoon to everyone.
So each region will be preparing pancit or noodle dish from their region.
What made you decide on the menu that you will be preparing this morning?
First and foremost, we look on the Bicolano culture really. And of course, given that the Bicolano culture is really diverse, we really aim to make a dish that is also diverse in terms of taste and different textures.
What makes it special?
It's based on the ingredients because I think we have different ingredients per group. So we also have some ingredients that it's not present from our group.
Oh, so the uniqueness of your ingredients.
Every year, I look forward kung sinong mananalo, and of course, yung presentation nila, and of course, yung iluluto nila for the particular region or for a particular place.
Salamat at pagpupugay.
Enjoy the event, enjoy the scenery, and enjoy socializing with people from every region of the Philippines. So I appreciate your student body of SBST having this event.
This is called Pancit Habhab. This is a delicacy of Lukban, Quezon. It's called Habhab because you don't need to use utensils to eat it. No? Habhab is to eat it directly from the mouth, to the mouth.
What are you cooking for us today?
Today we are cooking the world-class bok choy of the city of love, made with love.
This is the fruit from the south of Vietnam. We call it gỏi cuốn in Vietnamese, but in English we call it fresh spring roll. Yeah, and why we choose this fruit today is that it is the combination of meat, the combination of vegetable, the cream, the meat, and the shrimp.
Good morning, everyone. So we cook Pancit Batil Patong, or in our own dialect in Manap, we call it Pancit Batil Podol. Why Pancit Batil Podol? Because there is an egg, poached egg on top, and batil, the soup with egg.
extraordinary origin of Central Visayas due to its representation of local flavors and ingredients. It typically features a mix of stir-fried noodles and also vegetables and proteins, as you can see in the toppings that we have in the chocolate top.
It is also a simple dish, yet it reaches a variety of people. That's why we put into our hearts that making Malabon in this event is something that we should do because it emphasizes our simplicity as people from the National Capital Region. Thank you.
Welcome dayon sa among lugar sa Mindanao.
This is Maria Cristina Falls, and this is one of a famous landmark in the Philippines, particularly in Iligan City. This is the name was taken from the Queen of Spain, that's Maria Cristina of Austria.
Welcome to Northern and Central Luzon. Madaos kay kayong Antip, Pampanga. Welcome to the famous Catholic Church of Bacolor, San Guillermo Parish. This church became the symbol of the strong faith of Kapampangan despite the 1990 Mount Pinatubo eruption. This church is still standing with the picture of being sunken due to the effect of lahar.
Sa Bohol, sa Cebu, sa Central Eastern Visayas. Okay, this booth is inspired by the floating restaurant in Lubok River. We call this one a vessel of life because when we travel, we go to places, we experience culture.
So, welcome in our booth. So, this one is representing our rich and beautiful cultures in Western Visayas. So, this was conceptualized by them by the singing sa kanilang unang turungo sa kanilang buwan.
Magandang umaga at masayang pagdating sa baluarte ng Timog Katagalugan. Ito po ay tinatawag na baluarte. This is called the baluarte. This is an art that is used in the major festivals of the region as a sign of welcome to all the guests. We are using materials that are endemic or that are natural to the region.
The first thing you see in this booth is a gate. This is represent the culture of village in Vietnam, because the people planting rice and the people gather in one common area and they form a village which near the riverside and protected by the bamboo. And in each village there is a gate like this.
It's like a house during Fiesta. It welcomes and it invites us to be faithful workers, children, parents in your own homes. And after the Pentecost, the legend says that Santa Marta went to France and that Santa Marta killed the dragon or the Tarasque there. And that's what we wanted to say. Our booth is widely open. We don't have barricades. We don't have doors. You are free to open and free to come here.
¡Viva la Virgen! ¡Viva la Virgen! ¡Viva Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia!
Maligayang pagdating sa mundo ng Bicolandia. We are located in the southernmost part of Luzon, so that is why we are also considered as the gateway to the islands of Visayas. But it is also considered as one of the best pit stop destinations in your last minute.
We thank the Lord for this event. We thank the Lord for
as you return to your classrooms next week. Again, congratulations to everyone and see you all next year.
Congratulations!